Let me tell you about an amazing flower today, the Ranunculus. Yellow Ranunculus petals reflect UV light. Their petals have mirror flat cells that bounce the light back. This special trick helps them to attract bees. These flowers are cool season flowers and grow best at around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius in North India. Late winter to early spring months like February are best for Ranunculus blooming. These flowers are largely perennial, which go dormant during the summers in case they do not burn off. Their scientific name too is Ranunculus, but they are popularly known as Buttercup. They are amazing container plants and are available in pink, red, purple, cream and yellow, and are specifically popular as a bouquet flower due to their long shelf life. Grown through corms, seeds and cuttings, they require good sunlight, slightly sandy or loamy soil, average to below average watering, and do well with a good amount of organic fertilizer or compost. If you are smart enough, you will survive the hot blazing North Indian summers under shades of green nets or moving them into shady areas. So, the smart thing to do is to plant them in planters and not in fixed places in your gardens. One thing is for sure, when you have Ranunculus in your backyard, there will always be color and bees around. So, happy planting! Please follow, like and share our posts using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now!